13 theta plus cos 9 theta express as its products. Express as products. Observe here solution. Given that cos 13 theta plus cos 9 theta. Clearly here 13 theta is there. Here 9 theta is there. Clearly it is in the form of cos C plus cos D. It is in the form of cos C plus cos D. It is in the form of it is in the form of cos C plus cos D. Already we discussed in previous theorem, that is cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D, here this is angle C, this is D. So cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D. Already we discussed this. That is cos C plus cos D is equal to how much? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. That is equals to cos C. Here, observe here, that is equals to 2 times of cos C value. How much here? 13 theta. Observe here, C is equals to 13 theta, D is equals to 9 theta. So 13 theta plus 9 theta by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 is nothing but cos 13 theta minus 9 theta by 13 theta minus 9 theta. That is equals to 2 cos 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 is nothing but 22. So clearly 22 theta by 2 into cos 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. Clearly this is 4 theta. 4 theta, right? 13 minus 9. How much? 4. So 2 ones, 2 11s, 2 ones, 2s. We get here 2 times of cos 11 theta into cos, that is 2. This is answer. So cos 13 theta plus cos 9 theta expressed as product means clearly that is 2 cos 11 theta into cos 2 theta. 2 cos 11 theta into cos 2 theta. 2 cos 11 theta into cos 2 theta. Already we discussed in previous, that is known. Already we discussed. Here also very important, that is sin 80 degrees. Already we discussed in previous. Sin 80 is nothing but square root of 5 minus 1 by 4. Sin 80 value is equals to cos 72 degrees. No. Sin 18 value already we discussed, multiples and submultiples already we discussed sin 18 value. How to get the value of sin 18? Square root of minus 5 by square root of 5 minus 1 by 4. His value is nothing but cos 70. Next, once again discussed again. Sin 18 value how much? Square root of 5 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but cos 72. Next, cos 80 degrees. Cos 80 degrees clearly square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This cos 18 value is same as sin 72. Is same as sin 72. So sin 18 value is square root of 5 minus 1 by 4. And cos 18 value is nothing but square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This is square, this is only here only. So this is square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Value is nothing but sin 72. Next, third, already discussed previous. That is cos 36 value. Cos 36 degrees is equals to cos 36 values is nothing but square root of 5 plus 1 by 4. Square root of square root of 5 plus 1 by 4 is same as cos 36 is same as sin 54 degrees. Is same as sin 54 degrees. Next, sin 36 value, fourth one, sin 36 is equals to sin 36 value is equal to square root of 10 minus 2 times of 2 root 5 by 4 is same as, that is cos 70. Cos 70. This is. So, next, fifth one, sin 22 and half. Sin 22 and half degrees is nothing but sin 22 and half is equal to 1 by square root of 2 minus root 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into square root of 2 minus root 2, that is sin 22 and half is same as cos 67 is same as cos 67 degrees. Next, sixth one, cos 22 and half degrees. Cos 22 and half degrees is values, how much is 1 by 2 times of square root of 2 plus square root of 2. 1 by 2 times of square root of 2 plus square root of 2 is same as sin 67 and half. Sin 67 and half. This is. What is the value of tan 22 and half? 7. Tan 22 and half is equals to nothing but square root of 2 minus 1. Square root of 2 minus 1 is same as cos 67 and half. Cos 67 and half. What is the value of 8 1? Cot 22 and half degrees. Cot 22 and half degrees is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 is same as, this is cot, is same as tan 67 and half. Once again, we'll have this values, that is sin 18 degrees. Sin 18 degrees is equal to square root of 5 minus 1 by 4 is same as cos 72. Cos 72. Cos 18 degrees. Cos 18 degrees is equal to square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 is same as sin 72. Cos 18 is same as sin 72. Already we discussed previous, that is if a plus b is equals to 90, then sin a is equals to how much? Cos b. So cos 18 is equals to how much? Sin 72. So cos 36 value. Cos 36 value is nothing but square root of 5 plus 1 by square root of 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 36 value is same as sin 54 degrees. Sin 54 degrees. Sin 36 value. Sin 36 value is nothing but square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. The value of sin 36 is same as cos 70. Sorry, this is cos 70. Sorry, 54. This is cos 54. 50 plus 8. That is nothing but 80. 4 plus 6 plus 4 is 10. So cos 54. Cos 36 is the same as sin 54. Sin 36 is same as cos 54. Sin 36 is same as cos 54. Next, sin 22 and half. Sin 22 and half degrees is equal to 1 by 2 times of 1 by 2 times of square root of 2 minus square root of 2. 1 by 2 times of square root of 2 minus square root of 2 is nothing but how much? Cos 67 and half degrees. Sin 22 and half is nothing but cos 67 and half degrees. Cos 22 and half degrees. What is the value of cos 22 and half? 1 by 2 into square root of 2 plus square root of 2. 1 by 2 into square root of 2 plus root 2. That is equal to sin 67 and half degrees. Next, tan 22 and half degrees. Tan 22 and half degrees is nothing but square root of 2 minus 1. Square root of 2 minus 1 is same as cot 67 and half degrees. Is same as cot 67 and half degrees. What is the value of cot 22 and half degrees? Cot 22 and half degrees is nothing but square root of 2 plus 1 is equals to same as tan 67 and half degrees. This is also important in this chapter. This is transformation. Let us discuss some more problems in this topic. Yes. First problem, observe here. transformation in trigonometry, that is transformation. In this topic we discuss some problems here. First one, 4 sin 420 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha value how much? 4 into sin 420 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha value we want. That is equals. That is equals. Solution. 4 sin 420 is, can be expressed as 360 plus 60 360 plus 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha. 360 plus 60 is nothing but 420. So this 420 can be expressed as 360 plus 60. So 4 times of sine 360, this can be written as 360 plus 60 minus alpha. 360 plus 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha. It is in the form of sine 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, it is in the first quadrant. 360 is there. So sine ratio can't change. Sine is sine only. So 4 times of sine 360 plus theta, it is clearly first quadrant. First quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So we get sine 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha. 4 times of sine 60 minus alpha into 60 minus alpha into, that is 60 plus alpha. This can be written as 4 can be written as our continuous 2 into 2 sine 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha. Here theta is 60 minus alpha, here is 60 plus alpha. So it is in the form of 2 sine. This is totally, let us say that this is totally A, this is B. So it is in the form of 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B is nothing but sine sum plus sine difference. Sine sum plus sine difference is nothing but 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B is nothing but sine sum plus sine difference. So this can be written as 2 times of 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B is nothing but sine sum. Sine sum is nothing but A value here how much? 60 minus alpha plus B value here how much? 60 plus alpha. Sine sum plus sine difference is nothing but sine, that is this is sine sum plus sine difference, that is minus 60 minus alpha. Clearly plus alpha minus alpha get cancelled. Minus 60 plus 60 get cancelled. So we get 2 times of sine 60 plus 60 120 degrees into sine minus alpha minus 2 alpha. Sine minus 2 alpha is nothing but minus sine 2 alpha. Minus sine 2 alpha. So minus into plus how much? Right here minus sine 2 alpha. Minus sine 2 alpha. This is minus sine 2 alpha. This is okay. That is 2 sine 120 can be written as sine 90 plus 30. Sine 90 plus 30 is clearly 120. Sine 120 can be written as 90 plus 30 minus sine 2 alpha. Minus sine 2 alpha. So sine 90 plus theta clearly second quadrant. So we get here 2 times of cos 30 because sine, so second quadrant sine is positive. So cos 30 minus 2 into 2 sine 2 alpha. 2 times of cos 30 value root 3 by 2 minus 2 times of sine 2 alpha. 2 and 2 get cancelled. We get square root of 3 minus 2 sine 2 alpha. Square root of 3 minus 2 sine 2 alpha is the answer. Observe here. cos 420 can be written as 360 plus 60 minus alpha. 360 plus theta is nothing but sin theta. So sin 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha. 4 can be written as our convenience 2 into 2 sin 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha. 60 minus alpha is equals to A and 60 plus alpha is equals to B. So it is in the form of 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is nothing but 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin sum plus sin difference. Sin sum plus sin difference. That is sin A plus B. A value 60 minus alpha plus B value 60 plus alpha. So sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. A value 60 minus alpha minus B is nothing but minus 60 minus alpha. So minus 60 plus 60 get cancelled, plus alpha minus alpha get cancelled. 60 plus 60 how much? 120. Sin 120 can be written as cos 30. 2 cos 30 minus 2 sin 2 alpha. Cos 30 when root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. We get root 3 minus 2 times of sin 2 alpha. Root 3 minus 2 times of sin 2 alpha. That is. Next, second one. This is solution. Sin 48 into there. Sin 48 into cos 78. Sin 48 into cos 78 degrees. So it is in the form of sin A into cos B. Sin A into cos B, any formula is not there. So this can be written as we have a one formula that is 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. So this is numerator and denominator multiplied by 2 by 2. 2 by 2 we get cancelled, no problem. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 sin 48 into that is cos 7. Now it is in the form of 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. Again 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin sum plus sin difference. That is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So 1 by 2 into sin sum. Observe here 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is equal to how much? Sin sum plus sin difference. 2 sin A cos B is equals to 2 sin A cos B is equals to sin sum plus sin difference. A value how much here? 48. So 48 plus 78 plus sin sum plus sin difference. Nothing but sin 48 minus 78. 48 minus 78. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin sum plus sin difference. Sin sum plus sin difference. That is 2 sin A cos B can be written as sin sum. That is 48 plus 78 plus 48 minus 78. 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin sum plus sin difference. So 1 by 2 into 48 and 78. Observe here 78 and 48. 8 plus 8 16. 7 plus 4 nearly 11. 11 plus 1 nearly 126. So sin 126 degrees plus sin 48 minus 48 minus 78. 48 minus 78, 8 minus 8, 0, 7 minus 4, 30. So we get sin of minus 30. Sin of minus 30. We know that sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is equals to minus sin theta. So 1 by 2 into 126 can be written as sin 126. 120 can be written as 90 plus 30. So 126 means how much? 90 plus 36 degrees. 90 plus 36 degrees minus sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is nothing but minus sin theta. Sin of minus theta is nothing but how much? Minus sin theta. So we get here minus sin 30 minus. So 1 by 2 into sin of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta clearly it is in second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive. So we get here 90 is there. So sin ratio can be changes to cos ratio. So we get here cos 36 minus sin 30. Already we know that cos 36 value, that is 1 by 2 into square root of 5 plus 1 by 4 minus sin 30 value how much? Sin 30 value 1 by 2. Cos 36 value square root of 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 30 value how much? 1 by 2. If you do LCM here, we get 1 by 2 into, clearly 1 by 2 into, here clearly 4 into LCM is how much? 4 only. So square root of 5 plus 1, 4 get cancelled, we get square root of 5 plus 1, 2 ones and 2 twos are 4, 2 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 2. So 1 by 2 into square root of 5, 1 minus 2 we get minus 1, but if you multiply we get here square root of 5 minus 1 by 8 is the answer. Square root of 5 minus 1 by 8. So sin 48 into cos 78. Sin 48 into cos 78, any formula is not there. So we have one formula, that is 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. So this expression, numerator and denominator multiply by 2 by 2, we get here 1 by 2 times of 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin sum plus sin difference. 2 sin A cos B is nothing but how much? Sin sum plus sin difference. Sin sum plus sin difference. Sin sum 48 plus 78 we get 126. 48 plus 78 we get minus 30. So 48 plus 126 can be written as 90 plus 36. 90 plus 36. Sin of minus theta we get minus sin theta. So 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta clearly in second quadrant. Sin is positive, we get cos 36. So cos 36 minus sin 30. Already we know that sin 30 value 1 by 2, cos 36 value square root of 5 plus 1 by 4. Square root of 5 plus 1 by 4. If you do LCM, we get here square root of 5 minus 1 by 4. If you multiply, we get the answer square root of 5 minus 1 by 8. Next problem. Yes. Next problem, that is third problem. 2 times of 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 times of 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos 4 theta. Value we want. Observe here. Solution. We want 2 times of 1 minus. Already we know that cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to, in terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square. Cos 2 theta is equal to how much? 1 minus 2 sin square. Already we discussed in previous. Cos 2 theta, we have 4 formulas, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or cos square theta minus sin square theta, or 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta can be written as 2 times of 1 minus 2 sin square theta, because here that is as cos 2 theta into cos 4. So that is equals to, it is in the form of 2 cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Observe here, it is in the form of 2 cos A cos B. 2 times of cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B is equals to, we have a formula, that is 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos sum plus cos difference. 2 cos A cos B is equals to how much? Cos sum plus cos difference. So that's why here this can be already, we know that 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos sum plus cos difference. 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos sum plus cos difference. 2 cos A cos B is equals to how much? Cos sum plus cos difference. So 2 cos A, here A is equals to how much? 2 theta. B is equals to 4. Substitute here. That is cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is nothing but 2 theta plus 4 theta. 2 theta plus 4 theta plus cos A minus B, nothing but 2 theta minus 4 theta. That is cos 2 theta plus 4 theta, we get 6 theta, plus cos 2 theta minus 4 theta, we get minus cos 2. Already we know that is cos of minus theta is equals to plus cos theta. So that's why cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta. So the value of 2 times of 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos 4 theta is nothing but cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta. Next problem. Cos 66 plus sin 84 value we want. Cos 66 plus sin 84. We don't have any formula, that is cos and sin. We have a formula cos C plus cos D, or sin C plus sin D, or cos C minus cos D, or sin C minus sin D. Compulsory cos can be converted into sin, or sin can be converted into cos. We have a formula. So that's why cos 66 plus sin 84. Sin 84 degrees can be written as 90 minus 6. Clearly 90 minus 6 is how much? 84. So 90 minus 6 clearly how much? 84. So 84 can be written as 90 minus 6. We know that cos 66 plus sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta. Clearly first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive, so plus 90 is there. So sin ratio converted into cos ratio. So sin 90 minus theta clearly cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to how much? Cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So it is in the form of cos c plus cos c. Already we know that cos c plus cos d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d. We have a formula that is cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 times of cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Clearly c is equal to 60 degrees, d is equal to 60 degrees. Substitute here, that is equal to 2 cos 66 plus 6 by 2 into cos 66 minus 6 by 2. 2 cos 66 plus 6 by 2 into cos 66 minus 6 by 2. That is equal to 2 cos 66 plus 6 clearly is 72. So 72 by 2 into cos 66 minus 6. 66 minus 6 clearly 60 degrees. 60 by 60 degrees by 2, that is 72 by 2 is nothing but 2 cos 36 degrees into cos 60 by 2 is nothing but 30 degrees. Already we know that for values cos 36 value already we discussed in previous, that is square root of 5 plus 1 by 4. Square root of 5 plus 1 by 4 into cos 30 value already we know that square root of 3 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So if you multiply by the square root of 3 into square root of 5 plus 1, 3 5 is 15. So square root of 15 plus square root of 3 into 1 is nothing but square root of 3 by 4. So answer is how much? Square root of 15 plus square root of 3 by 4 is the answer. Next problem, observe here. Cos 35 plus cos 85 plus cos 155 value we want. Cos 35 plus cos 85 plus cos 155 value. Already we have a formula cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to how much? Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So solution after here. So cos 35 plus cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is nothing but 2 times of cos c plus, that is 85 plus 155 by 2 into cos c minus, that is 85 minus 155 by 2. So cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is nothing but 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That is equal to cos 35 plus 2 times of cos 85 plus 155 value we want. That is 155 plus 85, 160 plus 80. We know that 240. That is 240 into cos 155 minus 85. We know that minus times of 155 minus 85. 55 minus 85 minus 55. Clearly 55, 155 and 85. We get 100. 100 and another 30. That is clearly 70. Minus 75. So 85 minus 155. How much? Minus 75. So that is equal to cos 35 plus 2 times of 240 by 2 in 240 by 2 is nothing but how much? 120 into I already know the cos of minus theta cos of minus theta plus cos theta. So cos of minus 70 by 2 we get plus cos 35. Plus cos 35. So cos 35 degrees plus 2 times of cos 120 can be written as cos 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30. This is alright. Into cos 90 plus 30 is nothing but how much? 120. So cos 35 plus 2 times of cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So we get here minus times of sin 30 into cos. That is equals to cos 35 minus into plus minus 2 into cos 30 value 1 by 2 into cos 35. 2 get cancelled. We get here cos 35 minus cos 35. Value how much? 0 is the answer. Value how much? 0. Next, sin A plus sin 5A plus sin 9A by cos A plus cos 5A plus cos 9A value we want. That is sin A plus sin 5A plus sin 9A by cos A plus cos 5A plus cos 9A value. Observe here, this can be written as for convenience sin A plus sin 9A. Why means 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, clearly 5A. 9 minus 1, 8 by 2, 4A. So, our convenience, sin A plus sin 9A plus, right here, sin 5A by R. Right here also, no problem, that is cos A plus cos 9A plus cos 5. Cos. Already we know that sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin is equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C plus sin is equals to sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D. Cos C plus cos D is equals to how much? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Substitute here, that is sin C plus sin D. C value A and D value 9A. So 2 sin A plus 9A by 2 into cos A minus 9A by 2. A minus 9A by 2. In plus we get here sin 5A by in denominator cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. That means 2 cos C plus D by 2, A plus 9A by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, that by A minus 9A by 2 plus cos 5 plus this. Clearly 2 times of A plus 9A, how much can A by 2, we get 2 sin 5A into A minus 9A minus 8A. Minus 8A by 2, we get minus 4A. Sin of minus, cos of minus theta, clearly plus cos theta, we get cos 4A plus sin 5A by, here also 2 times of cos, A plus 9A, 10A by 2, we get cos 5A into A minus 9A is nothing but how much? Minus 8A by 2 minus 4A cos of minus 4A plus cos 4A. So we get here plus cos 4A plus cos 5. Sin 5A, cos 5A, cos 5A. Take in your letter sin 5A is common, sin 5A. We have 2 cos 4A plus 1, 2 cos 4A plus 1 by in denominator also we have cos 5A as common, we get 2 cos 4A plus 1, 2 cos 4A. Observe here, in numerator and denominator we have 2 cos 4A plus 1 by 2 cos 4A plus 1. Clearly 2 cos 4A plus 1, 2 cos 4A plus 1 get cancelled. we get here sine by cos. Already we know that sine ratio by cos ratio is nothing but tan ratio. Sine by cos is nothing but how much? Tan by d. And how much? Tan. Yes. Next problem. The expression 1 plus cos 56 plus cos 58 minus cos 66 value we want. So this expression, rearrange this expression, we get here solution of the 1 minus cos 66 plus right here, that is cos 56 plus cos 58. Already we know that cos theta is equals to 2 cos square, sorry, 1 minus 2 sine square theta, right? So cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Cos theta is equals to how much? 1 minus 2 sine square theta, right? So if you transform, we get here 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sine square theta, 2 sine square theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sine square theta, right? That is 66, right? 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Value how much? 2 sine square theta, right? So 2 sine square theta value here, where is 66? 66 by 2 plus cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equals to how much? Cos c plus cos d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d. So 2 sine square 66 by 2 is nothing but 33 degrees plus 2 cos 56 plus 68. Sorry, 56 plus 58. 56, 58. This is clearly 14. That is 6 plus 6, 12 and plus 2, 14. And this is 114. So 114 by 2 into cos 56 minus 58 we get, that is minus 2 by 2, clearly that is 1. So 2 sine square 33 plus 2 cos, this is 2 5 10, remind 1, so 14, 2 7 14 into cos 1 is. Cos of minus theta is nothing but plus cos theta, so plus cos. So 2 sine square 33 plus cos 57. Cos 57 is nothing but cos 57 can be written as cos 90 minus 33. Cos 90 minus 33. 90 minus 33, how much? 57. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So cos 57 can be written as 2 sin 33. Cos 1 means cos 90 minus 89. 90 minus theta, sin theta. So we get sin 89. So in the place of cos 1, we write sin 89. Already we know that if a plus b is equals to 90, a plus b is equals to 90, sin a is equals to cos b, cos a is equals to sin b. So sin 89. 1 plus 89. 1 plus 89 is equals to 90. So cos 1 is nothing but sin 89. So take sin 33 as come, 2 sin 33 as come, here we get sin 33 plus remaining here, that is sin 89. So it is in the form of sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 sin 33. Sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 33 plus 89 by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is 33 minus 89 by 2. That is equals to 2 to the 4, that is sin 33 degrees into sin 33 plus 89. 89 plus 33, 12, 11 plus 1, 121. 121 by 2 is nothing but 61 degrees. 33 minus 89. 89 minus 33, we get 6 here, that is 56. How much? 56. 56 by 2. 56 by 2 is nothing but 28. So cos 2. So 4 sin 33, sin 61, cos 28 or 4 sin 33 into sin 61. Sin 61 can be written as sin 90 minus 29. How much? 90 minus 29. Here 61. So we get here sin 90 minus the cos. So sin 61 is nothing but cos 29. Right here, that is cos 29 into cos 20. That is 4 cos 28 into cos 29 into this sin. Next one. If the angles ABC are in A, solution. If A, B, and C are in arithmetic. If A, B, C are in A, that means arithmetic progression. We know that 2B is equals to how much? A plus C. B is equals to A plus C by 2. If A, B, C are arithmetic progression, then B is equals to A plus C by 2. Already we know. So sin A minus sin C by cos C minus cos A by how much? We want K value. Already we know that sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is equals to sin C minus sin D is equals to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is equals to minus 2 times of sin C plus D by 2 or plus 2 times of sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Sin D minus C by 2. This is the formula. Already known. So sin A minus sin C. Sin C minus sin D. It is in the form of sin C minus sin D. That is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So 2 cos of C plus D by 2. That is A plus C by 2. A plus C by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. That is sin C minus D by 2. That is A minus C by 2. But cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D plus 2 into sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So plus 2 into sin C plus D by 2. C plus A by 2. That is A plus C by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. A minus C by 2. A minus C by 2. Clearly sin A minus C by 2. A minus C by 2 get cancelled. We get 2 to get cancelled. This is the how much? Okay. So cos by sin is nothing but cot A plus C by 2 is equals to K. Cot A plus C by 2 value how much? K. Already we know that A plus C by 2 is nothing but B. Substitute here. That is cot B is equals to K. We want K. K is equals to how much? Cot B. K is equals to how much? This is. Next problem. This is observe here. Cos square 84 degrees plus cos square 24 degrees minus cos 84 into cos 24 value how much? Observe here, we don't have any formula cos square A plus cos square B. Cos square A plus cos square B, we don't have any formula. We have a formula that is cos square A minus sin square B. We have a formula. Clearly, cos square A minus sin square B is nothing but cos sum into cos difference. Cos sum into cos difference. That is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So that's why this can be written as solution. Cos square 84 plus cos square 24 can be written as 1 minus sin square 24 degrees minus cos 84 and into cos 24. Cos 84 into cos 24, we don't have any formula. So this can be expressed in 2 sin A cos B. That means multiply by 1 by 2 into 2 cos 84 into cos 24. 2 cos A cos B. Observe here, 2 get cancelled. This expression didn't change anything. So here, we have this one plus this is cos square 84 minus sin square 24 minus 1 by 2 into 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B is nothing but 2 cos A cos B is nothing but cos sum plus cos difference. Cos sum plus cos difference is nothing but 2 cos A cos B. So that is cos sum, that is 84 plus 24 plus cos difference, that is 84 minus 24. cos sum plus cos difference. So that is equals to 1 plus, we have a formula that is cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b is nothing but cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So cos a plus b, here a value, a plus b, 84 plus 24 into cos, that is 84 minus 24, minus 1 by 2 into cos 84 and 24, here 108, 84 and 24, 8 plus 108, 108 plus 84 minus 24, 0, that is 60, cos 60. Observe here, that is 1 plus, again, cos 108 into cos 60 minus 1 by 2 into cos 108 minus into plus, we get minus 1 by 2 into cos, minus 1 by 2 into cos 60. That is equal to 1 plus cos 60 value. Cos 60 value, we know that cos 60 value, how much? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into cos 108, cos 108 degrees minus 1 by 2 into cos 108 degrees minus 1 by 2 into cos 108 degrees minus 1 by 2 into again cos 60 value. Clearly, minus and plus quantity get that is equal to 1 minus clearly 1 by 4. That is equal to 4 minus 1 by 5. If you do LCM, we get 4 minus 4. That is equal to 3 by 4. Value how much? 3 by 4. Cos square a plus cos square b. We don't have any formula, so convert it into sin square b. We have a formula that is cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b is nothing but cos sum into cos difference. Cos sum into cos difference. That is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos 84 into cos 24, we don't have any formula. We have a formula that is 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is equals to cos sum plus cos difference. So multiply by numerator and denominator by 2 by 2. We get this. Next, the value of sin cube 10 plus cos cube 10, 20 by sin 10 plus cos 10 value V1 of the little solution. Already we know that a cube plus b cube is equals to a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a plus b into a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Already we know that is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equals to how much? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So substitute here. That is a cube plus b cube. A plus b into, that is sin 10 plus cos 10 degrees. Sin 10 plus cos 10 degrees into a square. A square means clearly sin square 10 minus ab. Ab is nothing but sin 10 into cos 10 plus b square. B square is nothing but cos square 20. Cos square 20. A square is nothing but sin square 10. Here this is 20. So this is 20. So sin square 10 minus ab. So sin 10 into cos 20. Sin 10 into cos 20 plus b square is nothing but cos square 20. Why? In denominator we have the sin 10 plus sin 10 plus cos 20. Clearly, this sin 10 plus cos 20 and sin 10 plus cos 20 get cancelled. That is equal to sin square, we have sin square 10 plus cos square 20 plus cos square 20 minus 1 by 2 into this can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 sin 10 into cos 1 by 2 into 2 get cancelled, we have sin 10 into cos 20. So sin square a plus cos square b, we don't have any formula. So this can be written as, that is sin square 10 plus 1 minus sin square 20. 1 minus sin square 20. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So cos square theta equals how much? 1 minus sin square 20 is equals to, that means minus 1 by 2. We have a formula that is 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b is nothing but sin sum plus sin difference. Sin sum plus sin difference, that is sin difference 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B. That is sin sum plus sin difference. Sin sum plus sin difference. Observe here, sin square, this is 1. Sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B. You will have a formula, that is sin sum into sin difference. So plus sin sum into, that is sin 10 plus 20, sin sum into sin difference, that is 10 minus 20, we get minus 10. Minus 1 by 2 into, we have, that is sin 30 plus, that is minus sin 10. Sin 10 minus 20, we get minus 10. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta, so we get minus sin. That is equal to 1 by 2, 1 plus sin 30 value, so we know that 1 by 2 into minus into plus, we have minus 1 by 2 into, that is sin 10 minus into plus minus 1 by 2 into sin 30 value again 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 sin plus 110 minus 1 get cancelled. That is because here also it will be 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equals to, here we get, that is 3 by 4. 4 minus 1, how much? 3. This is next one.